last lecture we have created material master, as well as we have extended the vendor to the purchase organization level. So let's see, today, uh, with the configuration which we have done for the and FI integration, we are able to post the transactions or not. So first, we'll go to our material again, M03, and this is the material which we have created, 83 times 0302, and press enter and select all and press OK and give the purchase organization details and storage location and press enter, and straight away go to accounting tab 1. So in the accounting 1 tab, you see the stock is 0. Okay, so we don't have any stock, and we are saying that the standard price is 2000, and if we convert into INR, that is 6000, and inventory value is currently 0. So now we'll try to post some transactions. Even the total stock is also, as we said, it's 0. So now we'll try to post some transactions. So first thing, from a point of view, we will be raising a ME21N. So we'll be creating a purchase order. Go to ME21N and create a purchase order. So this tab I don't need, so I will close this one and go to header tab here and give the supplier. So this is the supplier where we have extended all the details. If you have not seen my previous videos, I will give the details in the description, so you can go and watch the videos. And then go to organizational data. Here give the purchase organization, purchase group, and the company code, which where we are going to post. And in the item overview tab, give 10 and give the material, short text, Apollo tires, and quantity. I am taking only one quantity as of now, and it's a kg or a thing. I will mention as D, and the date I will make it as 15. So we'll take today's date, and the net price is 200. Quantity 1 each, and material group tires, and the plant we are taking as TMUN. So these are the basic information which we need to fill in the item tab. And after that, just give the 200 amount here. So some of the condition is not fulfilled, that is fine, because this is just a warning message we'll get. So go and maintain a condition here 200 if you are getting that one, or else it's okay. So we have mentioned all the details which is needed for purchase order. Now go and check on here, click on check. So just check, is there any error messages we have? Vendor not defined in the master record of supplier. Okay, item line can deliver be met. Realistic delivery date is 16/11/2020. Can delivery date be met? Okay, that is warning messages. That is fine. So now after this, you have to click on save. Yes, click on save. So this is the purchase order 200004. This is the purchase order which has been created. Let's copy this purchase order. And if you want to see the same purchase order, what you can do is go to ME23N, and either it will show up like this, or you can enter the purchase order details over here and press enter. Okay, so here you have all the details which we have mentioned. Now after the purchase order, so we are know that there is not going to be any accounting entry when we create a purchase order. So still I will go and check is there any stock has increased. We know like it will not show up any stock. Still we just wanted to cross check. So it's still showing as stock as 0. Now we'll post MIGO entry. So MIGO is something which is related to goods receipt entry. So we will try and post MIGO entry. So here you just need to give the purchase order here and just press enter. And if you scroll down, if you are not able to see this cursor item OK, so just move your cursors so that it will show up item OK tab here and select this one and click on check. So if any errors are there, so it will show up. Posting only possible in period 23 and is in company code. So let's see what is the error. Posting only possible in period 08 and 0 in TMUS. Okay. So 11 is our period. I will just mention as 08 because it should not be an issue for us, but still I am just cross checking. Enter a location. I'm not going to post. I will find out the root cause for this one. So where here you will have a location. So you can enter Tata Motors UN is your location and check. So we are not getting any error, but still I want to check why this error is came up. As per our previous configuration, it should not be there, this error. Okay, let's go and find this error. So go to SPRO, reference IMG, financial accounting. Under financial accounting, financial global setting. Under this ledgers, under ledgers, we have a fiscal year and posting periods. Go there and assign variant to company codes. Let's see which variant we have assigned to company code US. Tata Motors US. So we have assigned Tata Motors US TMPV. So TMPV is the one which we have assigned. So go back and open and close posting period variant. I will maintain all. Go to position TMPV. So 8 is there. we don't see any problem here. So 8 is something which we have maintained, and it will call this one 2023. That is also fine. We'll go back again and see what is our fiscal year. So Tata Motors US. So we have assigned V3. So it is going to be a April to March. So if we calculate April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. So November is our eighth period. So it should have taken the eighth period, and we'll go back again. Go to ledgers and we'll define our ledgers. So we'll go to our non-leading ledger and go to company code settings. Click on position, Tata Motors US. So double click on it. So here we have given Tata Motors US, and the posting period variant which we have given is TM US. So this is our posting period variant TM US, and K4 is our fiscal period. So we'll go back to TM US again. It is currently we are looking at the non-leading ledger. So go to posting period variant. So let's see we have TM US or not. Yes, we have TM US, and we also have TMPV. So this is for this is for leading ledger we have maintained, and this is for non-leading ledger US we have maintained. So now we'll go to assign variant to company code. So here, whatever we have done, that is correct. TMVP is something which we need to assign because it is a group organization. To all our organization, we have maintained TMPV. Now we'll go to open and close periods. We'll check whether I have maintained TMUS or not. So TMUS is been maintained till 10. So let's maintain it till 11 and save it. This is basically for a non-leading ledger. Okay, so now we have maintained for non-leading ledger and save it. Let's try to post MIGO. Give the purchase order, press enter. Now scroll down and move your cursor a little bit right side. So you will see item OK checkbox and click on check. So posting is only possible in 08. In company code, this error still exists. Let's change the settings. Financial accounting, financial accounting global setting. Ledgers. Go to fiscal year and posting period. Open and close period. Maintain all. Okay. Actually, this will not resolve the error. Still, I am trying. 2023 11 is correct. This is financial year 2023. Everything is correct. Slash n. Let me go to MIGO and press enter. Take this one, press enter. See, I can take a pause and resolve this error. But the thing is that in real scenario also, if we come to know this kind of errors, we'll see how we can check and resolve the errors. See here, it is still coming up, right? So we'll read the posting only possible in period 0308 and 23 is in company code TMUS. Okay. The posting date entered is not within one of the permitted posting period, current period, previous period. This can be due to one of the two reasons. The correct period has been set in the system. So, so check the posting date and the correct. If you input is correct, your system administration, the period shifting, period and closing process has not yet been completed. Okay, you have entered the wrong date in the posting date. For system, the first enter current period and the beginning of the new period, your system administration, the correct period has not been set in the system. Okay, so okay, so what I will do is I am not 100% sure about this configuration because this is basically done by team. So let's go to SPRO and go to reference IMG and go to financial accounting, not financial accounting, go to logistic general Under the logistic general, we'll go to material master. Under the material master, we'll go to basic settings. Under the basic settings, we have maintain company code for material management. Execute this one and check for your company code, Tata Motors US. So I just wanted to change this to 11. Okay, so we'll use shifting of months here. That will be done using so we'll use MMPV transaction code. I will do it for Tata Motors US and period, enter the next period or a relevant date. So I want to open for 9 and 2023. Okay, now execute it. Company code is converted and period completely completed, log issues end. Okay, now I will do it again. Let's see what is there in logistic general. So is this changed to 9 or not? Go to logistic general, material master, basic settings, and here maintain company code for material management. So let me go to Tata Motors US. So this has been changed to 9. So I will do it till 11. So MMPV, press enter, US, and this is for 10, 2023, and execute it. We'll go back again and we'll do it for one more time, 11, and execute it. Now, as per my calculation, it should might have opened 11. So go to SAP reference IMG, financial logistic general. Under logistic general, go to material master, basic settings. Under basic settings, maintain company code for material master and go to position Tata Motors US. So 11 is been opened. Let's go to MIGO again and we'll use the same transaction. Now I will scroll down and move my cursor to little right side and click on item OK. Now click on check. So that error has gone. So this we need to properly cross check with person. So how we can resolve this settings. Okay, so then enter a location. So our location is, scroll down somewhere here, give the storage location as TMUN and save it. Just check whether we have any errors. We don't have any errors, and we'll just go and try and post. So this GL account which we have created is not consistent. Let's see what is the error. So the line item carries W posting line identified. The master record of in 25,000 in company code must have the balance only in local currency indicator if W identified is set. Master record inconsistency. So okay, so we'll go and rectify this particular GL account now. So copy this GL account /n FS00. So under Tata Motors, we have a expense account. We have a liability. Under liability, we have this 25,000 GRIR account. So what SAP is saying that if you want to post the GRIR account, you have to always select this checkbox. If you don't select checkbox, it will not allow us. So select the checkbox and save it. Now go to MIGO again and give the purchase order again. Press enter and scroll down. Select this checkbox and go to where and give your storage location as UN and check again. So we don't see any errors. Let's try and post. So finally we have posted our material document 490225. Now we'll go to our PO ME23N and go to purchase order history. So when we go to purchase order history, it will show the goods receipt entry. Double click on it and click on document info, click on FI document. So we'll see there are two documents has been created. One is material ledger document and one is accounting document. Double click on the accounting document. You will see a raw material account to a GRIR account. Now you will see the stock of 2,200 to GRIR account 200. So this is raw material account. In raw material, we'll see 200 stock is been increased. Now we'll go to ME23N, not ME23N. We'll go to MM03. That is our material master. Select all and select OK and give the plant and the storage location. Okay. Now we'll go to accounting one. So here you will see the stock has increased with a quantity of 1 and the standard price. If you see the inventory value, it is also got increased by 200. So this is how the stock will increase and this is how the MIGO entry will be posted. Yeah, there are posting errors we have came across that can be rectified when we work with closely with person. Then we again go to MIRO entry. So let's copy the purchase order from a previous one. So let me copy this purchase order /n MIRO and give this purchase order details and the inventory date and stock date and everything is same, and I will give amount as 200 USD. uh, Invoice received, just press enter. So we have some errors here. Let's see what are the errors we are getting. So it is asking for a jurisdiction code for that particular state. Let's say for New York. So let me give it California and press enter. And check. Okay. So we have given jurisdiction. Okay. And everything looks good. Let's click on simulate. So if any errors exist, so it will show up. Okay. So we have some withholding tax, that is okay. Because of the earlier configuration, it is getting calculated. Back and try to post the document. Press enter, warning message. Okay, so this document got posted 510060. So now we'll go to ME23 again and go to purchase order history and click on invoice receipt. So click on follow on documents. So click on accounting document. You see here, GRIR account has been debited and the vendor account has been credited. So this is how the invoice can be posted. So we have done end-to-end configuration and also posted the key transactions. So we'll stop here and we'll continue next topic with SD and FI integration. Thank you.